Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want pasta spaghettini. So making sauce using winner sausage and chicken breast meat, eringgi, and long garlic, pea sprouts, tomyo. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay, 3 liter boiling water, 30 grams salt already. Spagettini. This one is the same type of pasta. About 5 minutes. Chopped garlic and 1 chili pepper with seed. So this meaning is a little spicy. Olive oil. Okay, garlic a little bit change color. This timing is start saute chicken and white wine. Onion, long garlic. Always spicy. Ladle of pasta boiled soup. Olive oil, little bit. This again, almost end of part. must serve hot plate, heating up. It's spaghettini, winner sausage, chicken breast, eringhi, pea sprouts, and long leek. Let's start to eat. いただきます。So good. Well, you can make your original recipe if you want to make some pasta. So you better check inside your refrigerator. So just find some sausage or winner sausage and chicken breast and mushroom and some veggie. You just think about your recipe, you can find it. So please try to my original recipe in this kind. Make so easy. Yeah, it's so good. So delicious pasta. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Bye.